Nani. Kiss Nani. Kiss Nani. Bangga. Nih,
Hi, baby. Ouch.
that baby is you. He's showing your tongue. Kiss Mommy. You say hi, everybody. We're onboard Regal Princess.
Yeah, Mommy.
Hello, baby. Can I have a kiss?
Ship.
Ship. This is a ship. Yes, you're correct.
Bye, Mommy. Bye. I'll fly. I will fly. It's alright. I will fly.
Gusto mo to?
Ah. Wow.
She. Hi. Oh, they're moving. Okay. Yum, yum, yum. It's all yours. So good.
You can sit pa.
Salamat. Yummy, Bella. Hi. It's yours, okay? Try this. Hi. Kiss. Kiss, Mommy. Is it yummy? Yummy.
Alright.
Yay, thank you.
Berapa?
Okay, thank you.
Ya.
Ah, Bapak.
Yeah. Want to try water? Want to try this? It's rice? Here you go. That's so good. Wanna try with milk? Okay, wanna try the egg?
No, no.
Okay. Oh no. Good job. No, give it to mommy, please. Thank you.
Ew.
Good job. Wow. Wow.
Ew.
Good job, Bella. Hi, morning. Thank you.
Morning.
It's your water, Bella.
Yeah. Bella.
There they go. So excited. Look at it. There they go. All righty. Welcome, welcome. Lovely to have you. What we want is, you can stand right here until we get to the positions. Thank you very much. Right now, we want to introduce ourselves. You may start. What's your name and where you're from, and how many years have you been with Princess?
So my name is Stuart. I'm from the northeast of England in a city called Sunderland. Anyone from the UK?
Sunderland!
Yes, there we go.
All right, we're going to have to stop you there. I do apologize, Stuart. Now, folks, when we have our officers say this is where they're from, you've got to just pretend that's where you're from, okay? All right, even if you are, that's great. But everyone must. All right, sorry, Stuart, there was just a break in communication.
Yep.
So if you want to start that again, yes?
It's the mic again.
Yes, the mic is, sorry, it broke on us. Yes, yes.
So my name is Stuart. I am from the northeast of England in a small city called Sunderland. Yay!
That's what I'm talking about, yes.
And I've been at sea for 19 years coming.
19 years. Give him a round of applause for 19 years. Fantastic. All right, now we move on to the next gentleman. Tell us your name, where you're from, and how many years with Princess.
My name is Regal. I'm from Romania, and I've been with.
Everyone's from Romania. Yes.
That's nice. And I've been with the company for the last 22 years.
22 years. Thank you very much. Now, sir, at the end, what's your name, where are you from, and how many years with Princess?
Good morning, everybody. My name is Alexander. I'm originally from a very small place in the United States. It's called New York City. Hey, family. But I currently live in another small town of London, England. I've been at sea for 13 years, but I've been with Princess Cruises for just 4 years compared to these. Just 4. I'm a baby.
Oh, but still together 13. Give him a round of applause, everybody. Very good. All right, now give a round of applause. One more time. There we go. All right. Everyone. Someone go down.
I have not, sir, no.
No, he hasn't. All right, in the middle.
I work for Princess since I was born, so no.
Okay, there we go. And Stuart.
I'll give you a little bit of background if you want. Yeah.
All right.
So
yeah.
I was a paper boy, a milk boy.
Oh.
Worked in a bakery, and then decided to go to school, and then no prior experience.
Well looked after in that field.
Definitely yes for the first part. Food and beverage, yes, we assist.
No way.
Hey, $100. Or you can use it to fix the table.
Gonna dance.
When I asked you guys how many that did not grow up in the United States, I'm sure even you at some point in your life has heard of the American dream. We have our Princess Messenger bag for one lucky guest, and we have a Regal Princess ship model signed by our captain, Mr. Aldo Traverso, for one lucky winner. So you guys get a signature, and you guys get...
Unicorn one, I knew you would pick the white one.
Are you gonna hide that there, Bella?
Bella.
Hi. Wow.
Picture, see mommy.
Deck 12.
Oh,
Deck
yeah.
7. Promenade. Deck 5.
The Regal Princess is our chief engineer from Italy, Leonardo Minerva. Every time we introduce this senior officer, we all want to say that we would like you to meet the senior officer more on a social event rather than on a professional capacity. He's the one in charge.
Ladies and gentlemen, round of applause there for the master of the Regal Princess, Captain Aldo Traveso, and his senior officers. Thank you so much. Have a fabulous evening. And first it's on my own. I'm going to join you. No, you're going to come on up, our director of restaurant operations. Give him a cheer. There's Miro back again. 4, 3, 2, 1. And that's how we rock and roll, right here. That is amazing. This is a very special champagne one for tonight. Please, folks, if you want to come and be a part of it, come on over, line on up. We do have photo opportunities here for you with our lovely photo department as we kickstart tonight's celebration. Come on over as we hand back to the best man right here. It's Excite. Take it away. Here we go.
Thank you. Bye.